Now, children, I'm going to explain about very important part. That is some basic concept in the mirrors. Mirrors, or basically we have to specify in the spherical mirror. So, actually, spherical mirror as well as the lenses, they are believed to be a small portion. They are believed to be a small portion of a sphere or ball like this. If I draw glass sphere, this is what? This is glass sphere. This is glass sphere. And if we cut down from this portion and this portion and this portion. Is that clear? So now here I have removed, and similarly here I have also removed. So what we get? What is this? This is spherical piece. This is the part of what? This is the part of this sphere. Now how we get the mirrors? Just I am explaining how the mirrors are prepared, how the lenses are prepared. See, if we mark, this is this is which side? This is the dark side. Dark side, it is pushed inside. Dark side is pushed inside, and this is the shining. This is shiny side. So, which is the type of mirror? Which is type of mirror? This is convex mirror. Convex mirror. Is that clear? Now, when we take this, other piece. So this is the dark side. Dark side, it is pulsed out. It is the outgrowth, and this is shiny side. So what is the type of this mirror? Type of mirror?
Concave.
Yes. This is concave. So this is the way how we prepare the mirrors. In case of lenses they differ minutely. That in case of mirror there is the polishing. One side is made blind. In case of lenses, the polishing is not done, and there is a change in the curvature. So that particular power can be given to any lens. I will let you know about the lenses. Now
Your voice is not clear.
I am explaining.
Yes, sir.
I am explaining.
Yes, sir.
Some basic points. Basic points of this mirror. So here I have drawn. A mirror. This is concave mirror.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
A line. I have drawn a line in the central portion. Central portion, and see the, again I have drawn dotted line. That clear, students? Are you getting? So here in this is a complete circle. I have drawn a circle. So this concave mirror is part of this bigger sphere. So now I have drawn a straight line passing through the center, geometrical center of this this mirror, and this is a complete circle or sphere from which this has been made. So this central portion, this is the center. So this is the C, and this central portion C, this is called as center of curvature. So center of curvature is the.
So you have explained, but we were not in class, so we were unable to.
Center of curvature is the geometrical central point of a sphere. Geometrical central
So your
point.
voice is not clear.
Sir, your video is paused and voice is also not clear.
Okay, what is going on? Now see, center of curvature is the central portion of the sphere from which this mirror has been made. So center of curvature, it is represented by letter C, and center of curvature is the geometrical central point of a sphere from which mirror is made. So this is the geometrical center. Any portion can be taken. So this is, this is what? This is equal to what? Radius. This is equal to what? This distance is, radius.
Radius.
This is
Radius.
point. Is that clear? Now this second point, this is called as pole. And it is represented by pole, and it is represented by letter P. Represented by which letter? Letter P, capital P. So write in pole. Pole.
So side please.
Okay. But I'm writing it. Pole is the central part or point in a mirror from which a straight line or line can be passed to outside. Now this line from this point to this point, this is line. Is that clear? And this line is called as this is called as principal axis. This is called as principal axis. Which axis? This is called as principal axis.
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Axis.
The
Principal axis. This is called as this is called as principal axis. Is it clear? So this pole is the second portion. Now coming to third portion. Is that clear? I am explaining about the principal axis now. I am defining the principal axis. So write down principal axis. Principal axis is the straight line. The straight line passes through center of curvature and pole. Center of curvature and pole of a mirror. So this is, this is called as what? This is called as principal axis. Is that clear? Children,
Yes,
are
sir.
Yes, sir.
so
now
Yes,
I
sir.
will erase it. This is the third portion. Now this just half the distance. This distance, half of this radius. This is called as F. This F is called as focus. And this is point 4. This is called as focus. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Dialogue. Focus may be defined as the place on principal axis. This is very specific. It is a place on principal axis from where there is the formation. There is the formation of, image. There is formation of image, or the light rays comes to appear straight to principal axis. This is one definition. In higher classes, you will see. Actually, this is one definition. Other simplified definition is this. I am writing for you. This is second definition. Focus of a mirror is the point at which a sharp image of an object is formed. So in my opinion, this second definition is right. Is that clear? Is that clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So